Hello guys, naka-make up tayo ngayon. Trip ko lang guys, naka-make up. Kahit may edad na tayo guys, kailangan pa rin natin magpaganda. It's me. Good morning, good morning. Tama ba yung lipstick ko guys? Nagpapula ako ng labi guys. Trip ko, walang magawa. Bye bye.